Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to engage ourselves during terrace walking. We had two videos before. First is how to start your own walking journey in terrace, and second is also to ensure the different types of walking that you can do on terrace. And as we are walking, definitely we are going to feel sometimes really bored, but how to keep ourselves engaged such that we don't even know that we have walked so much unless our app tells us that we have covered so many steps. So let's go into the video to learn how to engage ourselves. But before that, subscribe for our channel so that you're getting regular updates from us and ensuring that you are living a life of complete happiness. There are various ways you can actually engage yourself while doing the terrace walking. One of my favorite ways is listening to my favorite songs, and mostly they are going to be peppy songs so that I walk really fast and ensure that I'm expelling a lot of energy. As much as the rhythm of the song is, your walking speed automatically gets coincide with that. And whenever you feel little tired or little wanting to hear some other genre, you can switch on to melody genre or whatever it is. So have a playlist that you can actually play through. And the second way of engaging yourself would be by ensuring that you're listening to your favorite YouTube channel or actually discourses of people, any gurus or anything that you love. Also comical videos and other stuff. You can also choose to have, watch Hotstar series or anything that you want to do. And the third way of engaging would be to listen some audiobooks from Amazon, Audibles and other things, which will help you also increase your knowledge level. The fourth way of engaging yourself can be talking to any one of your friends who is available at that point of time. And the fifth way of engaging would be if you have a neighbor who is also accompanying you, you can always boost them with lot of conversations, and when you are conversing, ensure that you are also jogging on the spot so that you are not actually wasting any of the time. The fifth way of engaging myself is that is the point when I will actually plan my day, think about what all can be done in that day, and start noting down or typing down what I can do in that day, and also ensuring that I fill in my calendar and start replying to all my messages in WhatsApp or Facebook and Instagram, whatever. So that is a place where I take time for myself and also connect to all the other people whom I wanted to. And ensure that you're drinking a lot of water in between, and also remind your neighbor, if the neighbor is there, to drink water periodically as you keep walking. I hope this video really helped you ignite your day. Please subscribe for our channel so that you get regular updates from us, and also like and share this video to as many people as possible so that you are giving an avenue of happiness and success in their lives. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success. This is Dr. Purni, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling, and we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.